Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can use ChatGPT4 for free. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. The first thing you need to do is simply open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for po.com. Now open the official website, sign in to your account, and you will be redirected to this type of page. On the home page, you will be able to select any of the preferred available bot. But in our case, it is the GPT-4 bot, and you will be sent to this interaction page. You can also change to any other part from this page by selecting the Your Bots feature available at the left side of the screen. Another bot that you can use to access GPT-4 will be Bing AI. To access it, open a new tab on your current browser and search for Bing AI. Open the first website and sign in to your Microsoft account. You can see we are now on the interaction page, and if I ask about GPT-4, the bot answers that it is currently using the GPT-4 bot. So that's basically how you can use ChatGPT4 for free. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.